Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the standard hydrogen electrode. It contains a glass tube with the platinum wire in it and the platinum foil attached with it. The platinum foil is coated with the platinum that is finally divided. This electrode is immersed in the 1 molar HCl to maintain the H positive ion. The hydrogen gas is bubbled in the acidic solution and the electrochemical reactions occur at the foil surface. In case of standard hydrogen electrode anode, H2 is converted into 2H plus 2 electron and cathode that is 2H plus 2 electron H2. There the unknown half cell is coupled with the SHE working. A cell have an electrode is Zn2 plus whose concentration is 1 molar and the second is the SHE with the potential 0.76 volt at 298 Kelvin. There are the advantage and disadvantage. Silver chloride electrode, it is used. First is the saturated coleman electrode. It is also known as the secondary standard electrode and it contains the two glass tube. And there are the platinum wire with it immersed in mercury and is covered with the colemal, that is Hg2Cl2, mercurous chloride. The tube is filled with the KCl solution and there are a salt bridge that are connected colemal electrode and other different electrode. Colemal electrode can be represented the chlorine negative 1 molar Hd2Cl2H. Advantage are the potentials stay for the long time. Next, disadvantage, this electrode can be used above the 50 degrees Celsius temperature. Next is the silver chloride electrode. It is also used as a reference electrode. It is used in the rest controlling systems and it is used in the pH meter. It is also used as a redox electrode reactions between Ag and AgCl. There are the silver strips. It is coated with the silver chloride and it is highly insoluble substance. This silver chloride electrode is immersed in the potassium chloride having the 1 molar concentration of fluoride and the reaction AgCl plus electron is Ag plus Cl negatives. Advantage is highly used in the silver chloride solutions and silver metals. For the redox reactions, thank you. In today's class I discuss about some various standard electrode that are the reference electrode.